Hello, my name is Ivan Almaraz, aka Bashi, and this is my submission for CS50's Capstone for web programming with Python and JavaScript. All right, let's get started. Let's talk about models. I have one for game, for instructions, a brief description, and a many-to-many relationship for the likes. I have one for scores to keep track of each game's top 10 scores. I have one for profile to keep track of the user's past game history. Currently, I'm logged out. So if I click a game and it says press S to start and I press S, nothing happens because we're not logged in. So let's go ahead and log in to play. All right. You can see that we have an image displayed of the game and we have a brief description. We have the ability to like and unlike the game. Liking the game, you can see if I go to like, it appears there. If I go back and like this one as well, go to like, it's there as well. I can take these off, go back to like, and only one will appear. Let's go back to all games. We have the ability to search for a game with substrings. So if I type in AKE, it'll just bring up snake. If I type in the whole string, snake, and go ahead and click search, it will actually take me to the game itself if I type the whole title in. All right. Clicking the username up here will give the user player history of the games they've played. You can see that only games with 1 or more points will show up. As you can see, I don't have any games showing up because I haven't played any games yet. So let's go and play a game. Let's go here. I'll go ahead and click Flappy Bird. On the left side, we can see the top 10 scores for Flappy Bird. Let's go and see if I can make it to the leaderboard. We have the instructions on the right-hand side. It says press S to start the game. And it also says press K to make the bird jump. So let's go ahead and do that. See if I can have 1 point. I didn't make it to the leaderboard because there's already 3 people with 1 point. So let's see if we can get 2 points. All right, as you can see, it puts me there and it bumps the last player off the top 10 score. Okay, let's go over and play Snake now. So go to all games. I'll go to Snake. Same thing. Top 10 players for this game on left side, and the instructions on the right side. This one says use the arrow keys to move the snake. So I'll go ahead and press S to start the game. And using the arrow keys, oh, I already died. All right, let's see if we can make it to the leaderboard. Let's see if we can at least get 2, maybe 3. Okay, as you can see, I made it to the leaderboard and it bumps the last person on the leaderboard off. If you are logged in, it will highlight your name. These other users aren't logged in, so it won't highlight their name. These games are made with JavaScript and also using JavaScript to manipulate the DOM, the document object model, to display the correct game score and instructions here. Okay. Now that we have some games under our belt, we can go back to clicking your name and you can see the game history here. It defaults to by time, but you can also sort it by score, the game, or time. So if I click score, I can sort that. If I click game, it'll sort by game. If I click time, it'll sort by the time. If I click it again, it will actually go from ascending to descending. Same with score. If it goes 1, 2, 3, I can click it again and it'll go 3, 2, 1 backwards. Same with game here. All right. For now, I only have 2 games. More games can be made with JavaScript and adding them to the database, but for now, I will stick with these 2. This is my Capstone project. Thank you.